Just as I was about to take my shoes off on the rooftop, there I see a girl with braided hair here before me. Just by myself I go and scream, hey, don't do it please. Whoa, wait a minute, what did I just say? I couldn't care less either way. To be honest, I was somewhat pissed. This was an opportunity missed. The girl with braided hair told me her woes. You've probably heard it all before. I really thought that he might be the one, but then he told me he was done. For God's sake, please, are you serious? I just can't believe that for some stupid reason you got here before me. Are you upset? Cause you can't have what you wanted. You're lucky that you've never gotten robbed of anything. I'm feeling better, thank you for listening. The girl with braided hair then disappeared. Alright, today's the day or so I thought. Just as I took both of my shoes off, there was but a girl short as can be. Just by myself I go and scream. The petite girl told me her woes. You've probably heard it all before. Everyone ignores me, everyone steals. I don't fit in with anyone here. For God's sake, please, are you serious? I just can't believe that for some stupid reason you got here before me. Cause even so, you're still loved by everyone at home. There's always dinner waiting on the table, you know. I'm hungry, so the girl she shouted to. The girl short as can be then disappeared. And like that, there was someone every day. I listened to the tale, I made them turn away. And yet there was no one who would do this for me. No way I could let out all this pain. For the very first time there I see someone with the same pains as me. Having done this time and time again. She wore a yellow cardigan. I just wanna stop the scars that grow every time that I go home. That's why I came up here instead. That's what the girl in the cardigan said. Well, wait a minute, what did I just say? I couldn't care less either way. But in the moment I just screamed something that I did not believe. Hey, don't do it please. What you do, I can't stop this girl, oh this is new. For once I think I've bitten off more than I can chew. But even so, please just go away so I can see her pitiful expression is just too much for me. I guess today is just not my day. She looked away from me and then she disappeared. There's no one here today, I guess it's time. It's just me, myself and I. There's no one who can interfere, no one to get in my way here. Taking off my